What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build. Here with Beitu. Hi! Back in Bakersfield. We're actually here to pick up Sally. Paperwork is all solid. Insurance is ready. Yeah, we'll be driving back. Also came to visit the family too. Give nephew a haircut and my dad. Cut him up a little bit. And that's about it. Right now I'm gonna do some diagnostics and check out Sally. See how she's doing. Aesthetically, still beautiful AF. Hopefully she does start up. You think she'll start up?
I think so. I mean, last time we left her for like a month. Still started.
It was like a whole month. MONF. So let's check out if she starts. First test. If you can actually just unlock. Oh. Oh no, she dead. Okay. Second test. Alright. Key. Do we have ignition? Oh. No, the battery's dead. Well, unfortunately, gotta charge the battery real quick. It's good if we came. Check it out. Rip off the hood. Hold it. Party.
So you have a charger or no?
We do, yeah.
Is that yours or his?
It's his.
Where's yours?
It is his. I can't find my charger. Huh.
So I guess we need to go to Donato's house.
I think we might need to. Usually it's right here. Bing. Well, my junk. It's not here.
Dirty nigga! Niggas give me the cold shoulder, I can speak for myself. So I keep a high waist and alligator the belt. Ain't got a belt with the holster. I ain't playing games, we got some little niggas who would do it. So I pass the controller. You can press the next out, triangle your nose. Pause your life if you squares, try to mess with my O's. Whoa, so cut the crap like shit ballers. Cause we really with the beef for cause of the gay fathers. Nigga, we get dollars, give them the bin baller. Exchange for them chains that's all shiny with thick water. I got back pains, neck heavy like whipped cream. I whip clean, and they all white. I whip cream and cop boards, and I draw stick. I whip cream and cop cribs. I got more space than big jeans. Y'all sleeping on me. Explain why they got shit dreams. I mean, got police down and
Alright, so the vitals look good. I'll let Sally warm up a little bit more longer and then we'll see where she's at. Air-fuel ratios is still a little bit high, about 14s. She's still getting up to operating temperature, about 180, I think it's like 170, 180. So when she does warm up, the air-fuel should go up a little bit. Yeah, everything still looks in working order. I packed up a lot of my things that I'm gonna bring home for Bakersfield, so yeah. Yeah, it looks good so far. See the bags? Let's see if she still works a little bit. Yeah. Still a little bit empty. So yeah, we're just gonna let her warm up and then we'll just keep watching her. See, Sally's mostly aired up right here. Bag's still working good. She looks healthy. I don't see anything that's alarming. So we're gonna go ahead and start putting her back together. But yeah, she's almost empty, about a fourth, so we'll give her some gas, a little old gas. Other than that, started up right away, no issues. And that's why I love LS3. LS platform, A1, no issues. I swear these doors are trying to kill us. Okay. Starting temp. Let's give it a little bit of juice. Still good. Thanks, Nato. I'd say she's ready for her maiden voyage to her new home, Glendora. This one.
See you back on the blacktop.
No risk, no reward. Let's go. I forgot how much of a mission this was. I can't believe I nearly drove this. Hey, just kidding. Yes! Let's go. Shades. Exciting! Yay! Okay, everything looks good so far. Cruising. You want to know my favorite parts about this? Let's go to first. All right, I want you guys to hear this. All right, let's go down this block real quick. All right. Air feel still looks good. 14. Oh. Too much backfire. Oh. Do you have a fire tune? Crackle tune?
Being the best within yourself, all that stuff you can.
Good. I miss it so much. I'm so happy.
You know what I mean?
Oh shoot, I forgot to we'll turn off the lights. Thanks, babe.
Welcome.
Thanks for helping me film Sally. It feels so good to drive her again.
Take her home.
We'll take her home tomorrow. Tonight we're just gonna kick with the boys, maybe film the Z later. We'll see what's up.
Get some ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh, ice cream. Should we take the Z to get ice cream?
Only if you want to.
Yeah, we'll see. I think that's gonna do it for this episode, huh? Well, that's gonna do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.